Today we talk about Python string. Python string. In Python string, we said strings are literals. In Python, strings are literals surrounded by either single quote or double quote, which we have talked about in the other class as an introduction. So let's look at how we can operate on string. For example, we print out good morning in quote. We print out good morning in quote. Good morning. You know that if you use double quote sign or if using quote, as we have established that. So then let's do assigning string to a variable. We want to assign string to a variable, which we did. We repeat ourselves equals to good morning. Alright, we run it. Then from there we can print G out. We'll print the G out as working with string. Now we can also write multi-line strings. We can also write multi-line string, like we have this guy here. We can have multi-line string. No, have multi-line string. Multi-line string. Let's say we have gg equals to multi-line string. The multi-line string we use double quote slicing. Using slicing to select range of character from the list of characters that we have. Let's say we want to print out, because we said Python is string is an array. If string is an array, that means it can have index position, the character and the index position. So let's say we want to have slice g equals to although we have g before, let's print g out. So we can g is good morning. So we want to print out index 3 to 5. Index 3 g array index 3 to 5. Index 3 to 5. See, position D is, we count it, good morning, 1 0 1 2 3. 0 1 2 3. That's the one in index position 3. 0 1 2 3. Likewise, we can also do some other thing. We can also get negative indexing. Let's say we want to print out in the position of from position 5 to position 1. You start the count from the end of the string like this. We have g array minus 5 into minus 2. Okay, we run it. So it's going to have, from the backward position, we have morning Get the character from position 5 to position 1. Means from position 5, we start from I, that means 0, 1, that's 0, 1, this is 2 from the back, 2, 3, 4, so stop in position 5. So that's it.